Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm back with another get ready with me video. So last month I promised you that I'm going to come up with a look for my wedding anniversary. So we have a wedding anniversary in few days with Preston, and today I'm going to be doing the look for you, which is going to be super simple at the same time. It's kind of a classic look with the red lips and with the wing eyeliner. So I'm very excited about it. And before I start this video, I wanted to talk to you about my little collab with the brand Dossier Perfumes. I already mentioned this brand to you. I have a bottle of their perfumes right here. This specific scent is called Gourmand White Flowers, and this is one of their most popular ones, so I highly recommend you to try it. It has top notes are bergamot, green tea, freesia, and berries. And I just want to say that this one is on the sweeter side. It's kind of like between the sweet and fresh, so I really enjoy using this one. And the Dossier Perfumes is a good brand to support because, first of all, their prices are so much more affordable than the regular prices on perfumes in like Ulta or Sephora, which retail for like over $100 usually. This huge bottle of perfume is just $29, and they have a different sales going on right now with Christmas and Thanksgiving and all the holidays. So if you buy 3 bottles, you get 20% off. If you buy 4 bottles, you get 25, and so on up to 40% off. And they're also vegan and cruelty free. They're made in France, and then they also don't have any parabens and all the like bad chemicals. So they're a nice brand to support. I really enjoy working with them, and I really enjoy using my collection of their perfumes because they last a very long time on skin. So when I spray myself in the morning, I can still sense it in the evening, and I really enjoy using them because they're high quality and then they're low price, which is always, beneficial, especially now that we are all in a situation that it's good to save money. So this is a nice gift for you guys to get for Christmas or even after the holidays. So yeah, let me know if any of you used this perfume before. Let me know what you guys think. Their website is dossier.com. It's not com, I believe it's .com, but I'll post the links down below, so if you want to check it out, you definitely can. So now I just want to start my makeup real quick. So I already did the base. I already put some foundation. I did a little bit of a contour because I have a little bit of a chubbier face nowadays. And I put some powder on top, some highlighter, just basically did all my base. So today I'm going to be using, of course, my Glamorous Beauty Girl Code palette, which is actually also on sale right now for only $12. You can pick yours up at glamorousbeauty.com. So I'm very excited about the sale because I got a very good response for it. I know a lot of people wanted to try it but couldn't, so now you guys can. So I'm going to be applying this Mama Bear in my crease. This is like a very blendable brown shade that's good for pretty much any complexion. Alright, so I'm applying a little bit of the shadow in my crease. And I'm going to use all the Morphe brushes. I have like a big collection. I'm not going to even name the names. You can see like this one is like a little bit of a tapered brush. It's not pencil brush, it's more on the flat side. So whatever works for you. I know different people prefer different brushes. Let me guys know what you're doing for the holidays. I'm very curious because we don't really know what to do with the kids, how to get them into like holiday spirit. We already put up Christmas tree. But I don't know, I feel like I want to take them somewhere for like a light festival. I don't know. Let me guys know if you're going or you're just staying home and getting some gifts. And actually I have a video coming up. I want to show you what I got for kids for Christmas. Now I'm using this Keeping It 100. I'm going to apply it in the corner of my eye just to highlight it a bit. It's like a super pigmented, so you can see it from far. You don't need much. And I'm going to highlight my brow bone with it. Just like so. Now I'm going to line, now I'm going to use this Almay liquid liner. I don't know if I can talk and do this at the same time. It just takes all of my concentration usually. And I want to stay pretty close to my lashes. I don't want to have too much of too intense of the eyeliner on. And I also feel like I'm not going to bring it all the way in. Should I bring it all the way in? Now that I'm thinking about it. No, I think I'm just going to stay on the outer corner. Just to keep it a little bit more casual, not as dramatic. Yeah, let me guys know what you're doing for Christmas. I want to take my kids for one of those drive-through light places. I don't know. Did you guys try it? Did you like it? Some of them are very expensive. I found one in, I think, LA County Fair location at the Fairplex. But I think that one was so pricey. I saw online it was like $25 a person. I just don't want to pay this kind of money. Like if I go with my mom and with my kids, for this 15 minutes experience is just too much. So I feel like I want to find something else. Let me guys know if you have ideas or you went someplace and you liked it. So far we just go like in our neighborhood. We have a lot of houses with the Christmas lights up. So far we just keep going to our, just drive from the street and look at the lights, and that is all to it. And then we're going to have gifts Christmas morning. So this is the drill for right now. And I'm applying some mascara. This is a roller lash. Just going to do a couple of coats on the top and the bottom. Should I do a bottom? Maybe I'm not gonna do the bottom. How about that? Make it a little bit more Hollywood-ish looking, like old Hollywood style, you know? I notice every time, like when I want to do pinup or Hollywood look, if I don't apply mascara on the bottom, it really makes it a little bit more, I don't know, sort of authentic. This is probably not the right word, but anyway. So I just did a couple of coats. For lashes today, I'm going to use these lashes. Those are Jasmine Storage lashes. I forgot what the name of those. Maybe those are Classy. But yeah, those are Jasmine Storage Beauty. I'll also post the link down below. And I'm using the House of Lashes black lash glue. It's very old, so I already need to pick. Actually, I already placed an order online for Black Friday from Ulta, but it's just taking way too long, because it's already been, what is it, few weeks, and it has not even been shipped yet. And I cannot cancel it because it says the shipping is ready, but they just need to like pick it up and ship it, you know. So I'm really not enjoying this Black Friday shopping experience so far. Plus, what I'm thinking is like right now we're in a little bit of different financial situation, so I feel like I might have to return most of my purchases anyway. So I could just cancel the order, but now that it's ready to be shipped, I don't think it's that easy. Alright, the lashes are on. I'm going to use the blending brush just to blend out a little bit of the edges between the highlighter and the highlighting shade and the Mama Bear. And I think that is it for eyes. It's just super simple and like I told you, a little bit of an old school Hollywood. For the lip liner, I'm using this Morphe in the shade Mina. This is the red, kind of like a blue with the blue notes, you know. And I'm using lipstick by Morphe. It's Mega Matte Steamy. So that is the look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I'm probably going to change. I think this one is a little bit too bright. I think I'm gonna pair it with like a off-shoulder, some kind of top. We'll see. But this is the look that I'm thinking to wear for my husband's and my anniversary. We're going to have like a picnic. I'm probably going to film it, how I put it together for you. So you guys gonna see it. So I didn't want to go all like full glam, but I wanted to look nice and a little bit, you know, on the fancier side. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please give me your thumbs up. I really appreciate it, and it helps out my channel a lot. Please give me your comments down below, answer all my questions. I'm very curious to know your responses. And until the next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.